Hey guys, to continue our math lesson for today, we've got two games to play. The first game is called Double Compare Dots, and then the next game is just Double Compare. So it's played the same way, but it's played with two different sets of cards. So I bet you could guess Double Compare Dots what kind of cards we're going to play with. Can you say them? Dot cards, that's right. And Double Compare, we're just going to play with normal number cards. So the first one that I'm going to explain is Double Compare Dots, okay? So you're going to play with a partner. If you don't have anyone beside you, maybe wait until you can play with somebody next to you. If you can't, just play by yourself. You could be player one and player two. So what you're going to do first, you're going to flip over a card and drag that to player one. Flip over another card, drag that to player two. Flip over one more card, player one gets that one, and the last one, player two gets that. So you have 4 dot cards displayed. Okay, 2 of them are player one, and 2 of them are player twos. Okay, so you have to decide whose cards have more dots altogether. Okay, so you've got to count both cards for player one and both cards for player two to decide who has the most. So for player one, let's start right here. I'm going to count these dots over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, hey, this dot card looks exactly like this one. I know in my head 10 plus 10 is 20. So this player one has 20 dots altogether. Player two, well, hey, looky. This card almost looks like this one, but it looks a little less, so I'm just going to count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay, it's got 8 over here, 8 dots, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you don't know 8 plus 9 right off the top of your head, how can you figure out how many dots player 2 has? Can you count up? Absolutely. So this one had 8. We'll go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now how many did we say player 1 had? 20. Player 2 has how many? How many did we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Who's got the most? Player 1. So player 1 gets those cards in their bank. Okay? Now, player 2 can keep theirs while player 1 gets more dots. Okay? Now, you may run into player 1 and player 2 has the same amount. They have equal amounts of dots. What do you do then? So if you want, say they had the same amount of dots on that card, you can just move that card to the collection box and give the player 1 a new card and give player 2 a new card. Okay? So now we've got 10 and 3 make 13, and then we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Who's got more? Player 1. And then they get 2 new cards. Okay? That's how you play double compare with dots. Okay? Now look at these 2 sets of cards. What happened? They've got the same. They've got an equal amount. Okay? So that's when you can turn those over and start fresh. Okay? So this goes right along with our quick images, our dot cards, starting to recognize dots on a card versus just numbers, okay? And we're counting dots now. Let's go over to double compare. Double compare Same directions. You're going to flip over a card. Player 1 gets the first one. Player 2 gets the second one. Player 1 gets this card. All of a sudden, Miss Helvey can't do this now. Let's refresh the page. And let's start over. So, player 2, player 1, player 1, and player 2. Whoa! Okay, so they both have 10, and then player 1 has 1 and player 2 has 6. Now, in my mind, 10 and 10 are equal. Which one's greater, 1 or 6? 6. So player 2 has the most. They have more. So they get to bank those cards. Okay? Now, say, oh, Miss Helvey, this is just really easy. How can you make it a little bit harder? You have a piece of paper, pencil, dry erase board, anything. Why don't you create equations and then solve? So, just to make it a little bit harder, and this is totally optional, okay? You do not have to do this. You can make player 1 and player 2, you can make 2 different sections, and you can write out the equation. So player 1 has 10 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 make 11, good. Player 2, 7 and 5 make, ooh, how many? 12, good. Who has more? What number is greater? So player 2 gets to bank those cards. Now that's just a little extension to make this game just a little bit harder. You do not have to do that. That is totally optional, okay? So, those are the 2 games explained today. Don't forget, when you go back to your Canvas course, you're going to watch Counting on the Number Line and Equal. You're going to watch those 2 Math Words and Ideas videos, and then you're going to complete page 13 in your student activity book. Okay? So, I hope you had fun. Guys, I'm totally missing you in the classroom right now. I wish we were playing all of these games on the smart board. I miss you all. Bye.